Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pita bread at home using just 5 to 6 ingredients. So let's get started. Into a bowl I'm adding some wheat flour, that is atta, and some normal plain flour, this is all-purpose flour, your maida. It totally depends on you whether you want to make this full atta or full maida. I just chose to use half and half. So to that bowl I'm also adding some sugar. This is your powdered sugar. And now I'm going to add some salt. The exact measurements are going to be on the screen and also in the description. And now I'm adding some baking powder. So once that is done, our dry ingredients are ready. So now I'm going to add some oil. This is vegetable oil, and for making pita bread you want to choose an oil that doesn't have any strong flavor, and that's why vegetable oil works perfectly for this. Now lukewarm water is very important in this pita bread dough, because lukewarm water would ensure that you get a smooth dough. So I'm just adding some more water and kneading this dough. So now I'm just adding some more oil because I felt that the dough wasn't very smooth. So adding this oil would make sure that the dough gets more smooth. So now once that is done, the kneading part is done, I'm just going to coat all sides with some more oil and cover this dough with another bowl. You can even use a damp cloth, totally works fine. And I'm going to let this rest for about 2 to 3 hours on my countertop. You don't need to put it in the fridge or anything. And once your dough is well rested, this is how it's going to look. So just take it out and knead it for like 20 to 25 seconds more. And now I'm going to make a few roundels out of this dough. So take equal sized roundels, I would say somewhere between medium to medium large. And you don't want to roll it too thin like how you would do for a roti, but just enough thickness for it to kind of fluff up and develop a pocket inside. So I would say about 1/4 inch would be the right amount of thickness. And this is how your dough this is how your bread will look. So once that is done, I've just transferred this to a baking sheet which is not greased, and I'm going to bake it at 260 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. And if you don't have an oven, it's totally fine. You can just put that prepared bread onto a tawa. Just don't grease your tawa with the oil or butter or anything. Just let this cook on a low to medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, and it should turn out just the same. So it's just perfect, as you can see, a perfect golden-ish brown color, and a great indication for a good pita bread would be this kind of a hollow pocket that you're seeing on the screen right now. And yeah, so that's it. It was so simple, and it tastes amazing. You can use it as a pizza base or as a sandwich base. I'm just gonna enjoy with some hummus and dips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like this, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, stay safe, eat great food, and enjoy. Bye guys.